What is in a public chat message? Every chat message contains information about the person who posted it. Contains their avatar, their username, and their subscription status, that is their badge. Other than that, you will also see the name of the instrument the user is looking at, the time frame, and when the message was posted. For example, you can see it right here. If the message contains a chart like above, you can click on the chart to enlarge it. Or open the idea publication, depending on whether a snapshot or an idea was shared. If you like the chart or publication, you can click the thumbs up icon in the upper left corner. Some tips on using public chat. When you want to reply to a specific user, you will need to click on the username of the user you want to reply to. This will add a tag for this specific user in your message. It also will open an information window with more information on the user. Then you can follow and message. So you choose message. You can see the number of followers, publish ideas, and reputation points, as well as the options to follow, send a private message, or send Tradingview coins. Right-clicking on the message opens a dialog window with several options. You can see the options right here. These are the options. We have quote this message. This will include the message in your reply. Optionally, you can click the quotation marks that appear when you hover over the message. We also have permanent link to the message. This will open the link, this will open that chat message in a window from which you can copy the link to that particular message. You can also report the message. This is it. You can report this message if it violates any of the house rules. Just bring it to the attention of the moderators. Alternatively, you can hover over the message and click the red flag icon. Please only report true violations and only report the same message once. We also have ignore user. If you don't want to see the messages of a particular user, you have the option to ignore this user. This is the option here. Then we also have send private message to username. This is it. So, pretty self-explanatory. This opens a dialog box for you to send a private message to the user that's only visible to the user and yourself. Lastly, show all messages from username. This is it. This opens a separate window showing you all messages from this user that the person posted that day in the chat room.